Right now, the biggest problem in tech isn't layoffs, it's that entry-level jobs are quietly disappearing.
The unemployment rate for new college grads has recently surged, and some economists say businesses are now replacing entry-level jobs with artificial intelligence.
And if you're a Gen Z grad or someone trying to break into tech, you might be doing everything right, yet still being blocked at the door.
How we used to tell our kids, hey, if you major in computer science, you'll be good to go. And now those graduates are having a hard time finding jobs.
That's because the ladder you were promised doesn't exist anymore. The clear path from entry level to senior roles. And that's the part almost no one is explaining. Today we're going to break down the hard data, from layoffs to hiring freezes to AI replacing roles, and why the job market feels so different right now. People are graduating with degrees, skills, projects, and still getting rejected or ghosted. This isn't a weak economy or lack of motivation, it's something deeper. Most people blame layoffs, and yes, layoffs are huge. In 2025 alone, layoffs.fyi, a tracking site, shows over 112,000 tech jobs cut worldwide by more than 200 companies. But here's what almost no one tells you. That number doesn't include the entire tech ecosystem. IEEE's data shows over 184,000 global tech layoffs in 2025, with roughly 123,000 of those in US companies. And for many of these cuts, AI and automation were directly linked to the restructuring. Layoffs are just a surface symptom. The real shift is below the surface. It's not that tech companies don't have money. In fact, some of these companies are richer than ever. According to Business Insider, Meta laid off around 3,600 employees, roughly 5% of its workforce in early 2025, as part of a broader restructuring while continuing to invest heavily in AI research and related operations. For years, tech companies hired a large number of junior employees, not because they immediately needed them, but because easy money and growth models made it profitable to train them over time. You were brought in, inefficient at first, slow yet eager, and expected to learn while earning. That system was stable until recently, because the type of workers they want has changed. The roles that used to be guaranteed pathways, junior developer, QA engineer, business analyst, are no longer automatic entry points. Those ladders have been taken out. Here's what most people don't see. Tech companies changed the game. They simply stopped hiring beginners. Let's prove this, because this isn't a feeling, it's measurable. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics JOLTS report, as of October 2025, there were about 7.67 million job openings nationwide, a slight dip from the previous month. But here's the twist. Layoffs climbed to nearly 1.9 million, the highest since early 2023, while voluntary quits declined, meaning fewer people feel confident enough to leave their jobs. According to hiring data, tech job postings in the US are now more than 50% lower than they were before the explosion of generative AI since late 2022, particularly in traditional development and support roles. In fact, platforms like Indeed report that tech job postings are down nearly 36% from pre-pandemic levels, reflecting a significant retreat from the post-pandemic hiring boom and ongoing weak demand for traditional tech roles. This tells us hiring didn't freeze, it reshaped. Data from job market studies indicates entry jobs in fields like marketing, engineering, HR, and admin have seen double-digit declines, some as high as 70% plus compared to a few years ago. In real terms, that means more competition for fewer traditional tech roles, higher thresholds for entry, and less predictable career ladders. That isn't a slowdown, that's a structural squeeze. What AI really replaced is the training phase, the slow early job grind. Routine coding, debugging, testing, all of it can now be automated or accelerated through generative AI tools. This changes hiring logic overnight. And because AI handles many repetitive tasks, the value placed on raw human entry-level learning has dropped. A recent survey of 350-plus public company CEOs by Teneo found that 67% expect entry-level hiring to increase in 2026, specifically because of AI, and 58% expect more senior leadership roles too, reflecting a shift in workforce demand toward AI-related roles. New roles like AI experience designers, decision science engineers, and automation ethics managers are emerging as companies reposition themselves around technology that didn't even exist a decade ago. Once you see how AI reshaped the way people learn on the job, the whole market begins to make sense. The real shift is quieter. AI accelerated productivity so much that companies realized they didn't need the old path of slow mentorship for new hires. The result? They hire fewer juniors and require candidates who can hit the ground running, often proven by portfolios, AI integration skills, or specialized experience. Here's the part almost no one says out loud. AI didn't eliminate senior roles first, it eliminated the path to senior roles. That's why this feels so different from previous downturns. Because now, promotions aren't just about learning and proving yourself. They start behind you before you ever get in. That's why Gen Z feels blocked, not because you chose the wrong major, but because the system you trained for was redesigned while you were inside it. Reports show that even well-qualified engineering grads are struggling to land roles, with companies preferring experience or AI-related skills. In fact, many managers even admit they'd rather use AI than hire certain roles. But here's the twist. This doesn't mean tech careers are over. It means the entry point moved. And once you understand where it moved, you stop playing the wrong game. Companies now want proof of immediate contribution. Real projects, real impact, real tools. That's the new ladder. It's positioning yourself where demand still exists. So when people say tech is collapsing, what they're really feeling is a system that no longer absorbs beginners the way it used to. This isn't a crash, it's restructuring. And restructuring always feels like collapse to people standing at the bottom rung.